And this is just an overview of one side of the living room. I have these two green couches. One is a love seat and one is a little bit bigger. I don't know what that one's called, but they're lazy boy couches. They're super comfortable. These two chairs I got from 5 Miles app. I love them. They're antique chairs. That end table I got from the furniture market in Astoria. I got the telephone from Amazon. That stack of books right there I actually got from Amazon, and it holds a tissue box. And the little candle holder is from Michael's. And we have this couch, which is a lazy boy couch. It's super comfortable. I also got this from the furniture market. And those pillows my mom bought for me. I'm not too crazy about my windows. I want to do something more fun with that. So I want to get a really nice gold curtain rod, like one really long one, and put it higher to the ceiling. And that way I can close the curtains completely and cover the mirror if I want to. And then like when I want to show the mirror, I can. So I have options, and it kind of will change the appearance of the room, I feel like. My great grandma, she lived in the Bronx, and she had this one wall where like the entire thing was curtains. So I grew up always thinking that behind the curtains were like a whole bunch of windows. It just made sense. But in actuality, there was like one small window, and she just made it look like it was a huge window. So I kind of want to trick people into thinking that. So I want to like get one curtain rod and make like really nice curtains, and then cover the mirror when I want to, or show it if I feel like it. This mirror I got for $10 at a thrift store. Can't go wrong. I think it looks so nice. And then I have over here, I got this mirror, which it's so nice in person. I feel like it doesn't do it justice, but I got this for free along with that cabinet. Someone was getting rid of this too. It is not in the best shape, but I like it. I think it adds to like the story. I love antiques, and I don't know, I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it looks like something out of the Titanic. It's so beautiful. It's green and gold. I want to like gold leaf the gold again, because I feel like with age it's kind of gotten a little bit ruined. Those little flower thingies, I want to put some more like just like fake flowers to make it look nicer, because it is like breaking a little bit. You see like the little gaps and spaces. And then don't mind those little things. I have a ceiling fan, as you can see. Oh, this lamp my mom gave me, which matches really nicely. I have, oh, that end table, which you can't really see from here, but it was only $10 from the thrift store. So there we have another little chair that I absolutely love. It's super comfortable. It's really great for your back. And I have this awesome globe bar that I'm obsessed with. I got this from Amazon. I'll link it in the description down below. It's well worth the money. It's super fun. It looks so cute. Goes with the theme of my room, but also serves a purpose. And that's one thing that I always was like, oh, why, you know, globes are so cool, but why would anyone want a globe? Because they just take up space and like they serve no purpose. They just look good. This one actually serves a purpose because it holds alcohol. There's my shadow. Then you can see when I open it, it has some shot glasses and some drinks in there. And just really comes in handy when you have company or a party, and it looks cute, but still, like I said, serves a purpose. So above that, I have these little mirror pieces that I got from Fallas. It used to be Conway. So I went to a street fair that was in Queens, and I came across these awesome coasters, and they're all like vintage pictures from in New York City. Like this one's the Cotton Club, which was really popular, and it's in Harlem, New York, 1936. The Cotton Club was like where all the jazz players performed, and it was really, sorry for that glare, really an awesome place, and I don't know, I wish I lived to see that. Then I have the Rockefeller Center, New York, 1932. This is like a really famous picture. Everyone knows that picture. But they're really cool and fun coasters, and they're kind of like conversational pieces. My great-grandfather came here and he loved these pieces. He wouldn't stop talking about them, and he actually knows a guy that's in this photo. So he was telling me stories about one of the guys in this photo. He's a big jokester, so I never know if he's telling the truth or not, but yeah, he says he knows someone in this video, in this picture. Central Park, New York, 1905. So this is a picture from 1905, and it's just like the fountain in Central Park. It's kind of cool. I like that one. And then there is Fifth Avenue. I can't read that. 1913. So that's just like Fifth Avenue traffic, and look how many people are there. I don't know, I just really like that piece. It's kind of cool. So like I said, it's great conversational pieces, and then it also serves a purpose as well, because I'm very picky about my furniture, and I don't like water stains. I like to try to keep the furniture as neat and clean as possible, so I do make everybody use coasters, but I try to get some fun coasters that people will actually like appreciate. Then I have this little piece right here. It's like a charm, and it says I love you. It randomly like just fell on me out of nowhere. So I was like, oh, okay, I guess somebody loves me. Apparently, I don't know who, but apparently someone loves me, because it just fell out of like the sky. And I thought it was kind of funny, so I just put it there. So that's where I have my coasters, which are right next to the TV.